cold tar mix is formulated for asphalt and is not the right choice for filling cracks or expansion joints in concrete. Cold tar cures differently and adheres to asphalt's flexible, bituminous surface rather than to rigid concrete, so using it can lead to poor bonding and early failure. For narrow cracks under 1/4 inch wide, use a polymer-modified concrete crack filler that is designed to bond to cementitious surfaces and move with thermal cycling. For larger cracks or spalls, route out loose material to a uniform depth, clean with a stiff brush and water, allow to dry, then use a cementitious patch or an epoxy-based repair mortar that matches the substrate strength. Apply in layers if needed and cure per manufacturer directions. For expansion joints, use a backer rod size to the joint width, then install a polyurethane or silicone joint sealant formulated for concrete joints. These sealants accommodate movement and resist water infiltration. If you are repurposing leftover materials, never mix coal tar with concrete patch products and avoid using asphalt emulsions on concrete because they trap moisture and reduce bond strength. Always check the concrete temperature and surface moisture before application. Follow product open time and tooling guidance, and allow full cure before subjecting the repair to traffic. Common mistakes include using coal tar because it is on hand, which results in peeling and failure on concrete. The fix is to remove the failed material, clean the joint or crack, and use a concrete-specific filler. A second issue is skipping surface preparation, which causes poor adhesion. Solution is to remove dust, loose debris, and oil, and to allow the surface to dry so the repair material can bond properly. A third frequent error is choosing a sealant that cannot accommodate expected joint movement, leading to splits. Prevent this by selecting a flexible polyurethane or silicone product rated for the expected percentage of movement and matching the joint geometry with an appropriate backer rod. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project information that helps you choose the right repair path for concrete versus asphalt issues. We list contractor profiles, let contractors find local work, and host a discussion community where we and other users share field experience, product recommendations, and step-by-step tips for repairs.